Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not installing on your PC. Now the main reason why it is not happening is because you have some version of Roblox already in your system. So before installing from a new launcher, you have to first delete or remove the previous installations. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply type Window plus R on your keyboard. Now over here, just simply type in percentage app data percentage. Now just simply hit enter. Now folder should appear right in front of you. Now right over here, just simply click on app data over here. Now go to local and right over here, just simply search for Roblox. So just simply type in R on your keyboard and search for the Roblox folder. Click on that. Now click on versions over here. And now just simply see if you have more than one version over here or not. So if you have something like this, all you have to do is just simply come back and delete the entire folder. So click on delete and then delete the folder. And now after that, again try to reinstall with the launcher over here. And if it still doesn't work, just try to download a new launcher because the launcher that you have downloaded right now might be corrupted. So delete the old launcher from your computer, then go to any browser and open the Roblox server. And just simply type in or play any game. So let's say fall over here. Now all you have to do is just simply click on the play option. So wait for a few seconds and click on play. And it will detect automatically that you don't have Roblox. So just simply click on download and install Roblox. After the downloading, click on open. Now wait for a few seconds over here. As you can see, the Roblox is now installing. Now, if you have deleted the folder from the app data and you have installed a new version of Roblox launcher, after doing both of the process, your game should automatically start without any issue, as you can see right over here. So now all you have to do is click on login and then complete the login process, or just simply close this. Go to a Roblox game, then click on the play option over here, then open Roblox client, and the login process will automatically complete. So wait for a few seconds. Now the launcher will automatically start, as you can see right over here. And this time you don't even have to log in. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.